All right, y'all. Sunny T back at it. Got a little rain, like a splash of rain last night. Saw some toads out, saw some snakes out. Figure the creeks would at least be a little bit refreshed. We're going to get at it. It's a sunny day. Let's go, sunny people. This water, this creek tends to be cold. Pretty cold. And yeah, it's pretty chilly. Like I said, it feels good on a, midsummer day. Got him. I don't know what it is. Greenie. These guys are thick in here. These greenies are thick in here. That was like the first cast. Make sure. Man, that hurt. Got that one. Ooh, that's a nice size long ear. Long ears are showing up and showing out. He swallowed it. Swallowed it. Man, oh man. It's fairly warm. There we go. That's not too bad. Yeah. Oh my. Man. Poor bass is hungry. Missed him. Got him. What are you? You're a good fish. What in the world? Look at the size. Oh, it's a big Rio. Good night. Look at the size of this Rio. He is huge. Oh, man. Pretty, too. Oh, my gosh. I might have to measure you. I think I will. Look at the size of this Rio, y'all. This is a big Rio Grande. Holy smoke. Holy smoke. Let's see if I can get him on there. Wow. That is a 10-inch Rio. That is a 10, almost 10 and a half. Man, it's a big Rio. That is a humongous Rio Grande. I'll catch him big, but jeez. Gotcha. All right, buddy. We're gonna get you back in there because you are beautiful. You are beautiful. Purple eyes, purple eyes. Nothing in his throat that I see. There he goes. There he goes, y'all. That's nice. Uh-oh. Be okay. There you go. Hopefully he's all right. I think he's gonna be all right. They've already torn the hackle off of this thing, but the hackle doesn't last long, but man, oh man. Still ultra productive. All right, let's try another one. We may not even get to, we might just wade this pool and that might be it. Man, that bass is like my little guard dog. Making sure the little ones don't give me no trouble. Got him. What are you? Let's see if he tries to Tries to eat this thing. It's a little catfish. Wow. A little fiddler. He's not gonna have me get stuck. Didn't think they. Well, I did think they were in there because we catch them when the rain comes through. My daughter and I have one daughter. I have other children, but I only have one daughter, and she is the one that typically goes fishing with me, and of my children at least. One of the boys doesn't really like it. The other one's kind of too small. So, boy, I tell you, at least it told me this time. Yeah, my other son, he does want to go, but he's a little bit too small right now, especially do this type of fishing. But he's getting there. He's working on casting the whole nine. He's getting there. PDQ. Oh, jeez. Man, these are some big Rios in this creek, y'all. Good night. It's not as big as that last one, but Jiminy Christmas. Look at the size of that Rio Grande. I can't even doggone get him up. Look at the size of him. Woo! That's crazy. That is nuts. Big male. I think the other one's a big male too. I think it was the same. I'm pretty sure it's not the same one because that last one was bigger. But good night in Georgia. These things are humongous. There we go. Look at the size of that Rio. Look at him, y'all. Good night. Woo! Somewhat purple eyes. Purple eyes are going away. It's almost that time for him. He should swim away a little bit stronger. Yeah, he's in good shape. Man, these Rios. These are some gargantuan Rio Grandes. I think I'm gonna scoot on down, let this place sit for a little bit. Yeah, it's time to move on down a little bit. Nothing wrong with it. They still biting even with the tail hackle kind of just ate up, so we're gonna keep it moving. Those are two, especially for a creek. It would surprise me to see Rio Grandes that big. Rio Grande cichlids, Rio Grande perch, whatever y'all want to call them, but Rio Grande cichlids or perch that big, even in a river like San Antonio River, Guadalupe River, what's the other one? That's gonna bug me. The Blanco River. See, of course, and the Rio Grande itself, but to see Rios that big in a creek, oh my! I think we're gonna try to drop in right here. And we're gonna try on this side. There we go. Not as big of a drop. Yeah. Got a little handhold right there. All right. Let's go for it. Beautiful. I try not to make this much noise when I come into a creek, but sometimes it cannot be helped. See if we can get a hold of one of these babies. It's not a bad cast. I know that's shallow over there. I don't know what that was. I know the deeper water is to the right where the creek bed itself kind of actually comes in. Doggone long ear couldn't help himself. Couldn't help himself. There you go. Good for you, buddy. Look at the size of this green sunfish, y'all. Hope he don't hook me. But if he does, he does. I don't care. I do care. Don't hook me. Look at that. Chunky green sunfish. Big old, look at the mouth on him. That's crazy. Kersplash. Now, I'm gonna try this fork over here just for a tad bit. Jeez. Yeah, it's a bunch of greenies over here. Bunch of greenies. Bunch of them. Of course, I haven't found the second pool yet. Or not the second pool, but the next pool. If I had to guess, in that next pool won't be as many greenies. All right, we're gonna try one more time with this old janky GoPro. Man, it's been giving me the blues, but it's supposed to be the best out there. Yeah, I'm having some fun, y'all. I'm kind of seeing it through the trees. That big Rio, matter of fact, actually came from on the other side over here. Good night. Greenie. It's a bunch of greenies in here. I don't mind right now. But, like I said, it's not something that I just, it gets my antenna up. I love greenies, don't get me wrong, but I would rather see small population of greenies, and a big population of something else. Long ears, red breast, bluegill, anything but greenies. Big population of greenies, I get the Marge Simpson concerned look. All right, yeah, because he daggum near ate it crazy. So what we're gonna do, ooh, don't you fin me. Man, you got it. It'll be. All right, y'all, we did pretty good. We caught quite a few fish. We explored a new part of the creek, and it's gonna be good, but it's not good right now. We need rain, and it's a jungle back there, so I'm gonna wait till some of that stuff kind of dies off during the fall. But we caught two giant, one's 10.5-inch Rio Grandes sunfish, and there was one that was a little bit smaller than that. They were like cookie cutters. They were like brothers. So we caught some big Rios. We caught some big green sunfish, some nice, real colorful long ear. This is Sunny T. It's been a sunny day. I'll see y'all next time.